So next we will try to understand what are the disease areas of clinical indications where these companies are focusing on. So the major companies, CRISPR Therapeutics, being editors, all focusing on blood disorders, sickle cell disease, beta thalassemia, sickle cell, on hematology-based diseases, and they are using different CRISPR modalities. And of course, the CRISPR Therapeutics drugs CASGEVY has been approved, whereas for Beam and Editas, it is in phase 1 and phase 2. And companies like Editas Prime Medicine are developing CRISPR-based medicines for neurological and ocular diseases, and all are in preclinical or either in early phase 1, phase 2. So companies such as Intellia, Beam, and Arbor are focusing on liver and metabolic disorder, and they are using in vivo or base editing uh, modalities, and all these drugs are in phase 1 and early preclinical stages. Some companies are even focusing on immunological disorders, uh, 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 but most of the companies are focusing on oncology or hematology based clinical indications. Yes, so we covered this that companies are mostly involved in oncology based indications or CRISPR therapeutics. So if you see CRISPR therapeutics has been involved in oncology, involved in hematology as well. And all these drugs are in phase 1 or early clinical phases. So until at least 2030, we do not expect any of these products to be commercialized. Next slide, please. Yes, so some of the companies are also working on developing CRISPR modalities or CRISPR-based drugs for infectious diseases as well, and still they are in early phases. Uh, so mostly around 30 plus CRISPR therapies are in development as of now, focusing mostly on oncology, hematology, ocular or liver malignancies, and the most advanced which got approved are from CRISPR Therapeutics and partnering with Vertex on treating sickle cell disease, and commercialization is expected around 2030. Of course, as I mentioned, two types of CRISPR therapeutics ex vivo will take 5 to 7 years for approval, and already one drug is in market which is based on ex vivo, and in vivo therapies will take around 7 to 10 years to commercialize. Yes, so as CASGEVY is only one drug which is has marketed approval for CRISPR-Cas. So we thought it will be good to give a brief introduction about these drugs. So this is the drug which helps for sickle cell disease uh, therapy, and the CRISPR-Cas mechanism is used to edit a gene called BCL11A gene to reactivate the production of fetal hemoglobin, which is actually lost in sickle cell anemia patients, and got approval for different indications, SCTV and TDT 2023-2024. And key benefits are potentially curative one-time therapy, only one-time patient episode or one-time infusion of this CRISPR-based drug within the patient. And it reduces disease burden, and clinically it has shown 85% improvement in the key parameters related to these disease burden or disease indications.